What's up guys, today I will answer Windows questions, and the most popular question for today is how to take screenshot from Windows. So how to create screenshot on your computer. So I will give you two options. The most popular and easiest way, if you do not want to download anything and if you do not want to download any program, so simply click on this button on your computer and button print screen. So instead of using this button, you can also press Ctrl and print screen. So let's try it out. So I'll press now Ctrl, print screen button. We'll go to simple paint program and press Ctrl V, and yes, screenshot is completed. Okay, so as you can see, it's the easiest way, but what I'm using this Snipping Tool. So I will click on it, and now I can select the option, select screen, what I would like to create. So let's try it again. So for example, I'd like this one, and here I can, for example, highlight something or erase. Then we can send it to email, we can save it, we can write something and things like this. So link to Snipping Tool I will put in video's description below, so make sure to check links what I will put in. I'll give you the download link to Microsoft. So here you can download it for free without paying anything. And as well, I will put a link to my latest video where I show how to generate income on Fiverr, original ideas. So make sure to check them out and leave the comment below if you like this video. Have a nice day.